There was an older generation fought for justice, freedom, and democracy. Enjoy it, preserve it, protect it, if not for you, for others.
Dito ngayon, sa tingin mo ba, Manong, bakit ba may party list? Bakit ba isinama yan sa saligang batas at ngayon naging batas at ngayon nakikita natin ba't ang dami ng tumatakbong party list? Makwento mo nga, ano ba, para saan ba yan?
Well, historically, I was an advocate for justice, freedom, and democracy. And it is fair to say that in 1986, the movement won. So, in other words, this is what I tell my kids. There was an older generation fought for justice, freedom, and democracy. Enjoy it, preserve it, protect it, if not for you, for others. So, that is the political side. Kasi of what we fought for. What we for, ang hindi po ata maintindihan natin mga kababayan is the economic benefits of a democracy.
Exactly.
So, bakit may party list? Kung i-context natin to, during those times, sectors fought for justice, freedom, and democracy. The powers that be during that time, the status quo, they were up to preserve the status quo, while the sectors, the people in general, were fighting for a cause that would restore their political rights. Now, in so doing, we saw farmers, workers, students, women, fighting for the very democracy that we enjoy today. So sa akin, sa tingin ko, this was enshrined in the Philippine Constitution. Sa tingin ko yun ang context nito. I hope I'm right, but yun ang feeling ko lang.